Here we go. Let's look at this crypto thing and see what's going on. This is my new channel, so I appreciate whoever is watching on TikTok. If you guys are not aware, I did make a new. I already had this TikTok account, but I switched it from something to something else. So I switched my crypto TikTok to a different account because I believe I was shadow banned on the other one. We'll see if this works any better. Let's first of all, like always, look at the crypto fear and greed index. I think a few days ago it was at 0. And what are we at now? Now the crypto fear and greed index is at 11. We are still in extreme fear at 11. The lowest we were was 5. If you guys are new, appreciate it if you guys hit the follow button. And if you guys are watching YouTube, please hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I post a video. You can also join the Telegram group to stay up to date with whenever I change the live stream times. That does happen a few times a month. And if you guys want to join the trade group where I post my trade setups, you can do that by joining the Telegram, and then from there I can send you the link for Discord. That is $35 a month. So I did take a long right now on Bitcoin on the 4-hour time frame. So that was something I did do. I still want to go over this more though. The crypto fear and greed index right now it's at 11. Yesterday we were at 13. Last week we were at 8, and last month we were at 26. At one point we did get down to 5. Anytime we get 10 or lower, that usually marks the bottom. I kind of do want Bitcoin to go lower, but you could have a dead cat rally, dead cat bounce to 80,000, get in the crypto fear and greed index up to 80 or 90, and then maybe we can go, and then maybe we go. I don't know why TikTok keeps saying this activity is not in line with our policies. I don't understand. I'm going over crypto. I don't understand. This is why I had to make this new account, and now it's doing it on this account too. I don't know if it's like AI based on the fact I'm saying Bitcoin. They don't like that. I really don't understand. It's kind of crappy, but we're just gonna keep going. So I did take a long on Bitcoin on the 4-hour time frame. So the 4-hour time frame right now. What are we sitting at on the stock RSI? 65. So if we get above 80, I kind of want to take profits aggressively in this market because right now we are not in an uptrend on Bitcoin. So I do want to take profits aggressively. I really would like Bitcoin to at least touch the 2-hour 200, which I guess you did that. So now the 3-hour 200 will be the next stop. 3-hour is not overbought yet. So really, if Bitcoin touched the 2-hour 200, that was coming in at 67,277. Now the 3-hour 200, you're joking me. Now gifting is suspended on this account. This is so stupid. I don't know what. I try to make a new account. Maybe it just doesn't matter. I don't know what's going on. Anyways, right now the 3-hour 200 was touched at 67,900. Wait, no. That would be the next target that I would like to see Bitcoin. So because Bitcoin touched the 2-hour 200, the next target I would like to see Bitcoin get to would be $67,900 on the 3-hour time frame, and that would mark the 3-hour 200-day moving average. That is also there's not much. I would say the resistance is higher at 69,000. So we'll see what happens, but that is really, if Bitcoin continues higher, I'd want to see Bitcoin touch about 67.9. So we'll see what happens. That's kind of the next target to the upside. Let me look at the 15 and kind of see what's going on. Should I sell this trade or should I stay in it? I guess that's the question right now. I kind of want to see that if the smaller time frames are making higher lows. And if they are, I'll probably stay in the trade. They look okay. That's a bearish engulfing candle on the 5. I don't love that. I'm trying to hold this 4-hour candle for a little bit of time. So we'll see what happens. Obviously, on the 4-hour time frame, we're making lower highs and lower lows. So that's not fantastic. But I'm still long based on the 4-hour time frame. So I actually should do a sound check on YouTube. So let me just make sure the sound is working good. I think it is. So if you guys have requests for altcoins, let me know and I'll look at them. I could see also a long. I already did a YouTube short about this, but I could see a long on Atom on the 12-hour time frame. This is a falling wedge. That's one bullish thing that you got going on. You are trying to make a higher low on the 12-hour time frame. Your previous low was 162. but you made a lower high, so this might not. This might continue down, but for right now, stock RSI curving up. That's your second bullish thing besides the falling wedge. And then the third thing is money flow is oversold with the green dot. That's 3. The one thing that's pushing you down, two things I would say is pushing you down is lower. This is a lower high. The second thing is that you're below the 200 moving hours on the 12-hour time frame. But I took the chance. It's a small position. The goal and the target ultimately would be $2.60 on Atom if you do decide to bounce. If Atom bounces, and that's the target, I'm not going to make a lot of money, but I did take a small long. Right now I think the long is down. It's a very small long. It's down $12 in funding fees. I made $1.12. It's almost. I have no liquidation, so my liquidation is 0. Oh, okay. Well, my liquidation is now 3 cents. Maybe gold went down in price, but 3 cents. I mean, we're at $1.83, so I'm not worrying about that. So that's the position I'm in right now in Atom. Very small position. Another good long that I saw earlier today was on Tria. And maybe now it doesn't look as great, but the 4-hour time frame is getting oversold on Tria. This could easily turn into a red candle right here, the one that only has 3 hours left to go. So I'm looking for this falling wedge to break to the upside, but right now I'm not convinced that the bottom is in. The 4-hour time frame on the stock RSI has not really bounced yet. I would like to see you at least get above 10 before I can say you bounce, or even get above 20. So right now I'm looking for Tria to make a bottom and bounce, but for right now I'm not. I have not bought into it. I'm kind of watching it, and I have alerts set. Hold on, I'll be right back. How's your day going?